Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can see the people who viewed your story on Instagram. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to see the people who viewed your story on Instagram, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your Instagram. And once you're on your Instagram, next, you will need to open your story first in order to see who viewed them. So to open your story, I want you to tap your profile at the bottom right corner. And once you're on your Instagram profile, you can now open your story by either tapping your profile picture if the story is new, but if the story you want is in your highlights, just tap on that highlight to view it. And after that, your story will now be opened. So to see the viewers of the story you've opened, it's so simple, you just need to tap this activity button right here at the bottom left corner. And after tapping it, there it is guys, it's done. Congratulations, you will now see all the viewers of your story on Instagram just like that. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.